Hello, welcome back, and today we're going to dive really in depth with the very complicated string theory. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. The string theory is one of the proposed methods for producing a theory of everything, a model that describes all known particles and forces and that would supersede the standard model of physics, which can explain everything except gravity. Many scientists believe in string theory because of its mathematical beauty. The equations of string theory are described as elegant, and its descriptions of the physical world are considered extremely satisfying. The theory explains gravity via a particular vibrating string whose properties correspond to that of a hypothetical gravitation, the quantum mechanical particle that would carry the gravitational force. The theory bizarrely requires 11 dimensions to work, rather than the 3 of space and 1 of time we normally experience. Has not dissuaded physicists who advocate it. They simply described how the extra dimensions are all curled up in an extremely tiny space, on the order of 10-33 centimeters, which is small enough that we can't normally detect them, according to NASA. Researchers have used string theory to try to answer fundamental questions about the universe, such as what goes on inside a black hole, or to simulate cosmic processes like the Big Bang. Some scientists had even attempted to use string theory to get a handle on dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of space and time. But string theory has lately come under great scrutiny. Most of its predictions are untestable with current technology, and many researchers have wondered if they're going down a never-ending rabbit hole. In 2011, physicists gathered at the American Museum of Natural History for the 11th annual Isaac Asimov Memorial Debate to discuss whether it made sense to turn to string theory as a viable description of reality. Are you chasing a ghost, or is the collection of you just too stupid to figure this out? teased Neil deGrasse Tyson, director of the museum's Hayden Planetarium, who pointed out that progress in the string theory had been patchy in the previous years. The most challenges to the string theory have come from the framework itself, which predicts the existence of a potentially huge number of unique universes, as many as 10-500. That's the number 1 followed by 500 zeros. This multiple landscape seemed to provide enough possibilities that, should researchers explore them, they would come across one that corresponded to our own version of reality. But in 2018, an influential paper suggested that not a single one of these arrayed hypothetical universes looked like our cosmos. Specifically, each lacked a description of dark energy as we currently understand it. String theorists propose a seemingly endless amount of mathematical constructions that have no relationship to observation. Sabine Hosefender, a physicist from the Frankfurt Institute of Advanced Studies in Germany, who has been critical of string theory, previously told Live Science. Other researchers maintain that string theory will one day turn up results. Writing in Physics Today magazine, physicist Gordon Kane at the University of Michigan suggested that with upgrades currently being conducted, the Large Hadron Collider could yield evidence of the string theory in the near future. But that's the theory's ultimate fate is, as yet, unknown. So the string theory is really a complicated and weird theory that nobody can really get much of a grasp on in the current moment, because that it's so complicated and huge that even with our crazy advanced technology that we have these days, we still cannot do near the mathematical equations needed to figure out this theory. And yeah, that's as much information as we have on it. Of course, actually, well, there is a lot more to that, and definitely go out there and research it. But for today's video, that will be it. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment if you like this type of content. and I will see you guys in the next video.